Unlocking playlists. Mastering, add to my playlist. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify English for you. Today, we're diving into a very current and digital-focused phrase that you might have come across while using music or video streaming platforms. Add to my playlist. Understanding this phrase not only helps you navigate these platforms more efficiently but also offers a peek into modern digital culture. So, let's get started. Add to my playlist is a phrase that combines action with purpose. The word add suggests placing something new into an existing collection or group. My refers to ownership or possession, indicating that the playlist belongs to the person speaking or being addressed. Finally, playlist is a term used to describe a list of digital media items, like songs or videos, grouped together usually by theme, mood, or personal preference. When someone says, add to my playlist, they're essentially asking to include a particular song, video, or piece of media to a personally curated collection. This action is common on streaming services, where users can create their own playlists of favorite content. Playlists are more than just collections. They are expressions of identity, mood, and even social connections. They allow users to organize content in a way that makes sense to them, whether it's by genre, activity, or any other preference. Share their tastes and discoveries with others, promoting a sense of community and connection. Discover new content recommended by the platform based on the items in their playlists. Understanding the concept of playlists and how to manage them, including adding new items, is crucial in today's digital age. It's a skill that enhances your online experience, making it more personalized and enjoyable. To put add to my playlist into practice, here are some steps and tips. 1. Find the song or video you wish to add. 2. Look for the option to add it to a playlist. This might be a button or an icon, often represented by a plus sign, plus, or something similar. 3. Select or create a playlist where you want this content to go. 4. Confirm your choice, and voila! The content is added to your chosen playlist. Tip: regularly update and curate your playlists. This not only helps keep your digital library organized but also makes it easier to find and enjoy your favorite content. Understanding and using the phrase, add to my playlist, is a small but significant way to enhance your digital experience, allowing you to curate personal collections of content that reflect your tastes, moods, and interests. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and utility of playlists in the digital world. Thank you for watching, and remember, learning English is your ticket to the world. See you in the next video.